Inis. Aww. Kung kayo naiiyak ako, nakikringe sa iyak ko. Nakikringe ako eh. Pag moment ko na naiyak talaga ako. Pero pag pinapanood ko ng paulit, nakikringe ka. Nakikringe talaga as in. Iniwan ko naka-record. nasa cellphone nyo pa rin ako, kahit ano. Thank you so much, pa. Mamaya ka na cringe. Thank you ulit. Thank you guys for all the gifts. Thank you so much po. Bukas sa Wonderful Moment Challenge. Tok, tok, tok. Taguduguduk. Tok. Tok, tok, tok. Tok. Oo. Sayawin natin tomorrow. I feel like bukas ko naman siya gagawin kasi need na eh. So, bukas ako mag-record. Abangan niyo yung akin. Go. Yes, ang lakas ni Happy Vida, di ba? Ganda ng sayaw niya. Bukas mag-aano ako. Gawa ka tutorial din. Ako marunong gumawa ng tutorial ng sayaw. Kasi may template yun eh. Kailangan po namin gamitin yung template. Pero siguro pag pwede ko naman hindi ko marunong. Ikaw na sumayaw, wag mo na kami idamay. Hindi, sasayaw tayo lahat. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, kailangan may post kayo lahat. Dapat may post kayo lahat. Nice. May post Bukas na, gagawa ko video ng sayaw. Papost ko. Tok, tok, tok. Tugudugudug. Tok, 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 tok. Britney Spears. Baby, can't you see I'm calling? I got like you, sure I want it. It's dangerous, I'm falling. There's no escape, I can't wait. I need a hit, baby, give me it. You're dangerous, I'm loving it. Hello, Monica, thank you so much for earlier po. Too high, can't come down. Losing my head, spin around and around. Do you feel me now? Pangit nun. With the taste of your lips, I'm on a ride. You're toxic, I'm sleeping on the with the taste of your poison paradise. I'm addicted to you, don't you know that you're toxic? And I love what you do, don't you know that you're toxic? It's kinda late to give you up. I took a sip from my devil's cup. So lonely, it's taking over me. Too high, can't come down. It's in the air when it's all around. Can you feel me now? Dug 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 dug. With the taste of your lips, I'm alright. You're toxic, I'm slipping all the way. The taste of your poison paradise. I'm addicted to you, don't you know that you're toxic? And I love what you do, don't you know that you're toxic? That you're toxic. It's the taste of your lips, I'm on a ride. You're toxic, I'm slipping on the with the taste of your poison paradise. I'm addicted to you, don't you know that you're toxic? I'm slipping along with the taste of your poison paradise. I'm addicted to you, don't you know that you're toxic? But you're living now, I think I'm ready now. Intoxicate me now, we are living now, I think I'm ready now. Alright, kamusta kayo?
Our service guarantee.
Dami
Your
ang
next
shit sa
holiday trip
toxic.
starts with trip.com.
Ano? Ha? Banana dog? Ano?
Banana dog. Banana dog.
Sabi ni Mami, kantahin ko daw yung banal na aso. Tapos pakulit-ulit ko marinig, sabi ko, ha? Ang banana dog? Banal na aso pala. Layo ng banana dog sa banal na aso. Ha? Anong banana dog? Ito muna. Bago ba na? Sabi ko, nakatulog na si Gab at Harwin. Kaya malamang po, malamang nakatulog na sila. Oh baby, baby. Oh baby, baby. How was I supposed to know that something wasn't right here? Oh baby, baby. I shouldn't have let you go. And now you're out of sight. Yeah. Show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now. Because my loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe, and I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign, hit me, baby, one more time. Oh, baby, baby, the reason I breathe is you. Boy, you got me blinded. I'll beat it, baby. There's nothing that I won't do. It's not the way I planned it. Show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now. Because my loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe, when I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign, hit me, baby, one more time. Oh, baby, baby. Oh, baby, baby. Oh, baby, baby. How was I supposed to know? Thought I. Britney Spears? Oh, pretty baby, I shouldn't have let you go. I must confess that my loneliness is killing me now. Don't you know I still believe? Hit me, baby, one more time. Loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe, when I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign, hit me, baby, one more time. Loneliness is killing me now. Don't you know I still believe you will be here, and give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. Oh, baby, baby. Cheers. Magandang gabi po. Hello, guys. Kamusta, buhay pa ba kayo? Buhay pa ba kayo? Ganda ng sound trip ko while working. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Prince. Yes, ma'am. Hello, Squeeps. Buhay pa sila. Buhay na buhay. Si Gab, tsaka si Haruin natulog na ata. Ano ba pwede ka doon? Thank you. Ayan si Haruin, gising pa eh. Sabi ko sa'yo, may ginagawa para sa work. Lahat pala kayo halos lahat kayo nag-work. Tapos nakikinig kayo sa akin. Ang cute niya naman. Thank you po.
Kaya kumanta ka lang ng kumanta para habang nag-work sila. Pero sila
귀요미, 귀요미. 자꾸는 이 한증상인 내꺼. 그저 하는 그는 자는 내꺼. 아파하고 나하고 그마저야 자요. 다가와서 하늘 파지마 내가 말하는 내꺼. 내가 자기 그만을 떠나가는 gagawa-gawa ko din. Yummy! Nakakainis lang panoorin. Ikot-ikot ba yung Sarah G? Kaya sorry, hindi ko alam yung lyrics. Hinuhulaan ko lang. Pasensya, hinuhulaan ko lang yung lyrics. Tapos yung dulo, wala na. Kung ano-ano na sinabi ko. Hindi na lyrics yun. Ikot-ikot. Much AQ. Hindi talaga bagay sa akin, guys. Huwag na nating pilitin. Ikot-ikot daw eh.
Cover speech.
Bini Boy Cherry Auto. Eto na naman tayo. Pero kailan ang huli? Gaano man kalayo ay pinagtatakong muli. Ulit nagkasakitan, ngunit paulit ako magaling. Ilang ulit balak na iwan, di pa tunay na bumabalik. Kaya bindang sakit na nilimot na pabayaan. Di maiwasang isipin na tayo'y parabang tumatakbo sa walang hanggan na kalye tumatakbo. Ang pag-ibig na tila pasang biyahe, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot-ikot, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot-ikot. Eto na naman tayo, damdamin natin ay bumubugso. Tayo ay muling napasok, pintig ng puso ay lumulusok. Hayaan, tayo na lang, ngunit hindi kita maiwan. Pagkarin kita ngayon pa ba, hayaramin ng sakit na nilimot na pabayaan. Di maiwasang isipin na tayo'y para bang tumatakbo sa walang hanggan at kahit tumatakbo. Ang pag-ibig na tila pasang biyahe, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot, ikot, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot, ikot. Pinasakit na limot na babalian. Iwasang isipin na tayo'y para ba tumatakbo sa walang hanggan at kahit tumatakbo. Ang pag-ibig na tila pasang biyahe, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot, ikot, 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 ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot, ikot lang, ikot-ikot, ikot, ikot-ikot lang. Chares, walang ganun. Guys, ang dami niyong request. 2% na lang ako. Sorry na guys. Baka mag-end ako na maaga. Mag-end ako na maaga. Hindi pala baka. Mag-end ako na maaga kasi lobat na ako. Lobat na ako and medyo inaantok na nga ako kasi wala akong tulog. Pasensya na guys. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Ay, nag-ano ba? Hindi po. Is a wig. Is a wig. I bought it from the Orange app. Nag-post ako, di ba? Oo nga, may post ako.
So she said, what's the problem, baby? What's the problem? I don't know. Well, maybe I'm in love, love. Think about it every time I think about it. Can't stop thinking about it. So she said, what's the problem?
Baka magkakrush ako sa sarili ko yan. Ayun, guys. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much po. May nag-unfollow isa. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Opo, nag-post ako. Ganyan kayo. Hindi niyo ako love. Hindi niyo hina-heart. Nagalit. Hindi guys, pero thank you so much po. Thank you po. Thank you, okay. Thank you for, thank you everyone. Thank you sa mga nag-stay. Salamat po sa inyo. Hindi ko na kayo may isa-isa. 1% na lang ako. Pero maraming salamat, Buddies Home Speech. Halloween, Gab, Aya, Jelly is, Pew Pew. Sige, chat kayo para maalala ko kayo. Sino pa? Para maalala ko kayo. Sino pa? Si Okix. Sino pa? Para maalala ko kayo. Sino pa? Ay, ang dami na. Si Shushi, si Halloween. Hello, Jamela. Good night, Buddy Zone. Oh, love you, Cakes. Love you all. Thank you so much. Mapopost ko na. Naku, patay, makikringe na ako. End na po ako. Mag-end na po ako. Bye-bye po. Good night. Sorry guys, 1% eh. Tsaka puyat. Bye guys. Love you all. Thank you po sa mga nagbigay ng gifts kanina at sa ditong live. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you for tapping the screen, post the live, sharing the live. And thank you so much for always supporting me. I love you all guys. Salamat na maraming salamat. Sana patuloy niyo po ako suportahan sa TikTok live campaign, voting at sa GF voting. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. I'm 48. Maraming salamat. Ayun. Bye guys. Again, I'm ML48 Match, your darling with a golden voice who moves with such poise. Bye-bye. Sabi niyo muna, bye-bye. Sabi niyo, bye-bye. pa. Bye. Ulo. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye. Love you all. Bye. Bye.
JYP Oni-chan. JYP. 다시 한번 말해봐. Tell me, tell me, tell me. 너를 사랑한다고, 라디오에 온다고. Tell me. Ay, nakala. Kilala mo si JYP? Oo naman. Siyempre. Hello, Daddy. Yeah, yun yung step is yun. My answer. Passion. 관심 없어 과거에 오늘 알고 있는 trouble I have. I'm you, kiss you. All I got is one. What you looking at? 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 I'm feeling. She gets away, get away. Touch it again, touch it again. You should get away, get away. I'm feeling. 여기 숨기던 이 말들은 이상해. Bro, anong girl groups ini-stan mo? Madami actually. Blackpink, Twice, The Seraphim, 21. Pero yung pinaka-first ever ko talaga is 21. Tsaka yung Girls' Generation. Nag-restart. Di pa. What you looking at? 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 I'm feeling. OG ka pala. Yes! I used to dance to that 21. Alam mo, pinapatugtog yun ng parents ko. Ito naman si ate mong feeling main character. Siyempre, sumasayaw siya sa gitna talaga ng family function. Kahit sa bahay namin. Feeling main character ako. Sayaw ko ng sayaw. 21, fire, tush, ako. Sayaw-sayaw yun siya. Yung mga Super Junior, mga boy group na ano. Super Junior, yung basta madami. Ako na 48 muna bago ako naging ay, way ba? Ray, anong cellphone mo nga? iPhone 16 Pro Max. Wala na ka. Taga-college gihapon.
Hey boy, look, I'm gonna make this simple
16.
for you. You got
Two
two
choices.
choices.
Yes or yes. Kailan pa ka na ako nang wala? Thank you, Evas. CM ta sa sabta sa H ka dra. Kinsa man ka? Come on and tell me yes. Ayan, andito si Kuya Julius. Hindi ka makabentoy. Joke. Wow ha, wow Ian bituin ha. Kapag ganitong first ni uban siya mo sa COVID time, sino ka? Kon ng twice, hindi po. Yes or yes. Bias ko sa twice si si Gio. Actually, si Sana, si Suyu, si Gio. Nabago ko yung ulo ko, panood ko sa YouTube. Ayun lang. Sana Momo, yes. No, dugay ra. Dugay ra mi wala. Pila na, 2 years na. 3 or mas mag 3 years na. What happened? Wala lang. Basta, huwag yan dito. Tuig, dili tuig, uy. 3 years na. Ay, mag 3 years na dahil. Mag 3 pa lang. Ako si Beach. Buong calendar.
I can touch you through the phone,
Miyu.
touch you through the universe. In another time zone, that's the only time I can reverse.
Wait, Miyu. Miyu. Twice. Ay, ikaw din na, Ben. Hello.
Yeah. You know I'm always by your side. So just listen. Yeah.
Hala! Oh no. Ang tagal. Oh, kailan ako? Yellow.
Honestly, better than I know myself. All I need is you, just you. For everything we've been through.
Ah, bakit ako?
Best friends until the end. I'll stay by your side like glue.
Uy, abas lang din. Ayaw pag-comment anak UK.
Gonna come between us, ain't no way we can lose. Always be, 'cause you know.
Usap ka dyan.
Change to the ups and the